naka-live na yun.
We're live, we're live, we're live.
Hashtag tungka.
We're live. We're gonna close our store. Oh God, it's already.
Talon ka na sa swimming pool.
Ano ka lang ng thriller? Thriller ka itong story ano?
Ignite ako ng tulak mo dati digdi dyan sa camera. Oh, dahil mama.
Ayusin naman ang kapatid. Sumarang lang marat na.
Putol ka.
Ito to. Ayos mo mata.
Ay, pala. Ay, tabi ni Ay. John Lee. Here's your friend, Killer Bean. Hello, Killer Bean. John Lee's busy. Yeah. Over there. John Lee. Your friend.
Tama.
Hello, Lee.
Yaon?
Yeah.
Seman. Maan baga? Seman yung sa tao.
Pwede ka mag-gagawin.
Hello. Tungka lang. Midnight stream. Napindot mo lang ni. So, daddy, tanong kita nag-stream na banggi. Yo. So, daddy, what's your thoughts on kung nag-stream kita banggi? Why did we decide to stream in... Paano ta? Nag-decision kita ng ma-stream kita banggi.
Testing ang tamo.
Oh my God. Ikaw na kayo na magkapot mo?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay na.
Matalon pa ako sa...
John Lee is, don't want to hold the camera. Night swim, yes.
Night swimming.
No.
Midnight
Night
swimming.
swim.
Midnight swimming. Midnight swimming. Live stream ta. Midnight swim.
Night swim. Bawal na po magwalis kapag gabi.
Hala, daddy, arresto ko kaya. Kupain kita kahit ng 10,000.
Dapat umaga lang po nagawalis.
Hala ka.
Hindi sa gabi.
Hala, kupain kita. Ano pag iguon ka? Amazing
We're here.
content.
Beside,
Incredible content. World's best content. Why is it blurry? I'm just gonna fix it. It's blurry. Did it fix it? Oh yeah, it fixed it. Okay, what are your thoughts? 11 out of 10 content. True. So what are your thoughts on the midnight stream?
oh,
Putting you on spotlight. Oh, anxiety. That's so relatable. Anxiety.
I don't have anxiety.
Lost. You have.
Normal.
Then why are you not talking a lot when you're on camera?
Kung maisip mo.
Okay.
Kung anong sasabihin.
Kaulayon ko na ng ining cactus.
I'm just waiting
Cactus.
to buy
Ay,
to
no. Nay, matiba ng
close
cancer.
the store.
Yes, because most of us are either sleepy or hungry. 11 out of 10 content. World's Best Content Creator Award. I'm bored. What else should we do in the stream?
What?
What else should we do? Exercise.
No.
Exercise kita. How to cross the road while you're in front while you're in front of a highway. Step 1. Look both ways. Make sure there are no cars hitting you or is near you. Or just wait until you see that this situation can be, that you can cross the road in this situation. And be patient. Patience is the most powerful thing. Part 2. Next step. Walk. Make sure you're walking, not running, or doing anything slow. Make sure you're looking left and right again. Part 2. Step 3. Hooray, you completed the tutorial. Now you can walk. Now you can cross the road like a pro, and avoid fatal accidents that can cost you a fortune if you live in America. Amazing stream. This is so entertaining.
I got 10 pesos.
Diba yun? Ang trabaho talaga, seeing yan, wallet korte dyan. They always leave money. I don't know why. Ayan, makasarado na. Woo! World's loudest content. Okay, now I'm tired. It's time to go home. Okay, cats. Move out. Meows a lot. Left, right. We're close. And it's time to go to bed. Make sure you grab all your things. How to close like a pro. Number 1. Step 1. Walk to this area. Flip these 2 switches. That should turn off your lights. Step 2. Turn off the printer. Step 3. Close shift.
Sky,
Then,
come Sky,
shut down.
Sky, come here.
Power off.
Oy. Here's Sky. Lee.
And that's Sky.
Hello.
Step 4. Make sure to pet Sky on the way. Step 5. Make sure all the clothes are closed.
Clothes. All the cabinets.
Yes, all the clothes are clothes.
Style arc.
It's our style. So next step, if your status is John Lee, then you get your phone. Hold this. Yes, I did shut down the computer room. Then grab the hot water container.
Sanay ka na?
Grab your everyday water water jug. Make sure you also bring your. Wait, why is it blurry again? Also, make sure to meow to attract all the cats' Make sure to meow to attract all the cats' attention. And don't fall. I totally did not just fall. Like, totally. Yan, saw nothing if you felt that. Okay. Now, make sure you follow proper safety protocols to not get yourself third-degree burns. Now, if you, John Lee, you have probably already eaten. Well, technically, yes. Well, technically. Ha? Ako, ikaw lang hugas ko ng lunch. I thought I was at the, what is it called? Trash bin. And you put it in the trash bin. Step 6. Step 10. Leave the camera right here. No. Yes, right here. And then wait. And
Tapos may mga nagsurat.
Jan is out.
Hey, Han. Hi.
Step 9. Ha?
Laban, anak.
Yan na.
Oo. Ayan mo naman natabay. May busy pa, busy.
Bibi.
Busy.